Hello friends, so today we have hydraulic pressure gauge for calibration. This one range 0 to 40 bar and resolution is 1 bar, and this class 1.6 and manufacturer is Baumer. Okay, so we will do by deadbed tester. But before do we need to know how many series we need to do, which sequence we will use. So we go in DKDR6, like you can see this DKDR6 around their sequence written ABC. If pressure gauge class below than 0.1, so we need to do series A, and if 0.1 to 0.6 class, so we need to do series B. If more above than 0.6, so we need to use class sequence C, so we will use sequence C. And now number of measurement we need to take only 5, so 40 bar means we need to take 5 reading, 8 bar each, and number of pre-leading we need 1 bar, and wait time mean 30 second maximum. Okay, and now we need to do only one series up and one series down. Okay, so let's start. So now we have connected the pressure gauge, and be preloading doing be now put correctly 40 bar, and this dead balance is this one 10 bar, 10 bar, 10 bar, 5 bar, 4 bar, 1 bar, 0.5, and this one 0.1 bar. Okay, so total is 40 bar each, and this one also showing here correctly 40. Okay, so now already 2 minutes finished, so we need to go back and stop after wait 5 minutes, then we start again. Each reading take like 8 bar, 16 bar, 24, 32 and 40 bar. And this is manufactured Gutenberg and BGP 210, and we use this one in two mode, like one lower mode is 0 to 70 bar and higher mode is 70 to 1400 bar. Okay, there are two valve have A and B, we need two adjustment and we can use by this. Now this one is lower mode, you can see there are two lining running, upside have red line, so this one high pressure. Okay, so now we will start calibration, and now we reach 8 bar first reading, and we here put this one 5, this one 2, 5 and 1 6, and this one 0.5, 6.5, and this piston is 1 bar. Okay, so total is 7.5, 7.6, total 7.6 bar. Okay, so now we balance, and we need to rotate and check air over here, downside pressure going or correctly set. So we need to do tuck 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 tuck. After we record this reading, and now this reading and this reading we match. After we note down this reading, like what did we balance. So this way in this calibration going. Other range we also can put like 16 bar, 22 bar, 24 and 32 and 40 bar same. Upside going after we 30 seconds wait after take reading. Again down series we doing same 40 bar, 32, 24, 16, 8 bar. After we going 0 and check 0 error. Okay, like this. Thank you.